Hey friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's find some cool monster trucks. Whoa, check this out. It's old school Gravedigger. It's one of my favorites. Whoa, who's this over here? Son of a digger. That's pretty cool. Next to this, what's that? I don't know. Let's put it in the back of old Gravedigger. Whoa, check it out. It's Night Shifter. Number 22 Night Shifter. And who's that over there? Oh, it's Rage. Lucas Oil Products. That's pretty cool. And check this one out. It's Gravedigger. Who doesn't like Gravedigger? That's such a cool monster truck. Oh, and check this one out. It's Higher Education. It's pretty neat. I like Higher Education. The school buses are pretty cool. Whoa, it's glow-in-the-dark Bone Shaker. So cool. What's that? That's not a monster truck. It's a fire truck. It must be here to help protect the fire truck or the monster trucks in case they catch on fire. It'll put out the fire. That's pretty cool. Whoa, check this one out. It's glow-in-the-dark Pure Muscle. I like this one a lot. Ooh, it's Boogie Van. We're just in time for the spooky Halloween. It's the Boogie Van. Pretty neat. Hey, that's not a Hot Wheels monster truck. Or is it? It's a Monster Jam Destroyer monster truck. Ooh, that's pretty cool. But check that out over there. It's Daredevil. And who's that right there? Oh, wow, it's Double Decker. Way over here, we've got another cool one. It's Hot Wheels Racing #1. Let's see all these monster trucks that we found today. We found Destroyer. Pretty cool. We found Daredevil. Another really cool one. A giant leaf. Just kidding. Glow-in-the-dark Pure Muscle. Whoa, so cool. The Boogie Van. It's another really cool one. I like the colors of this one and the shape. We found Double Decker. Ode Shaker. Higher Education. Gravedigger. This one's really pretty. We found the fire truck. Old school Gravedigger. Son of a digger. Night Shifter. Rage. And Hot Wheels Racing #1. Wow, that's so cool. Let's count how many we found. We found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 vehicles today. That's pretty cool. Which one was your favorite? I think I like Higher Education the most today because it's the cool bus. And it's back to school time. Wouldn't it be so cool to ride in a monster truck school bus to go to school? I think that'd be pretty neat. We'll see you next time, friends.